Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today we will talk about Python, why we should learn, what is the future of Python, is this the best language if we compare with other languages like Java, how you can install Python in your computer. So Python has a good scope in data science, automation, and artificial intelligence. All these applications are most in demand in their respective industry. Knowing Python will definitely be a worth, and I'll tell you how you can do that. You have the browser and type Python download, and once you click on download the latest version, you will get the result like this. If you want to install it on Windows, you can download the latest version of Windows from here, and I'll tell you how you can use it. I'll mention some links in the description. Google's Python class, where it's a free class for people with a little bit of programming experience who want to learn Python. The class includes written materials, lectures, a lot of codes, exercises in Python. So you can get the free Google Python class, and I will also share the Microsoft Python quiz, which you can explore it, and it will have introduction, what is Python, use the REPL, variables and basic data, exercise output. So both the links will be mentioned in the description box. If you go to documentation and if you click on FAQ, you get frequently asked questions about Python. So if I click on general Python FAQ, I get so many questions regarding Python. It's really worth to understand and learn Python. You can also let me know which is your favorite language or which language you are actually learning right now, and what exactly you want to become, what exactly you want to make. Also let me know, do you want me to start coding tutorials for you, which will be easier to understand for everyone? Let me know about that. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.